So recently I did a video about unaccredited agents and why you shouldn't use them. Since I've done that video, a couple of viewers have come to me, talked to me about their experience with these unaccredited agents. And so I wanted to do a little follow-up video. I've obtained some of the contracts that they use, and the stuff in these contracts are just absolutely bonkers. So I want to share that information with you, give you a little update. After this video, I hope you're still not willing to use unaccredited agents. But let's get into it. This contract I've obtained, I mean, it is so far out there. It is so anti-veteran. It's not even funny, guys. So I'm not going to reveal what company's contract this is. I'm trying to avoid any sort of legal repercussions from them. But I mean, this stuff is crazy, guys. So for one, they guarantee that anybody who uses their services gets 100%. And the fella who gave me this contract told me they're filing fake claims on his behalf using fake medical evidence. I mean, guys, this is crazy. And listen, I know everyone wants 100%, but this is not the way to do it. Not only are they breaking the law, but if the VA finds out that you're using fake medical evidence and fake claims, it's going to come down on you too. I mean, not only do you risk losing your VA benefits, but there could be criminal penalties involved. You may have to pay all that money back. Guys, you don't need that freaking drama. Don't use these companies that file fake claims. Next, they make clear in the contract they don't represent you and they're not going to file any appeals. Well, that's great, guys. If you get denied and you know you're going to get denied, or the VA makes a legal mistake, or as pointed out in my last video that the effective date's wrong, yeah, they just charged you tens of thousands of dollars and they ain't going to help you with that effective date. Trust me. Now, this next one is insane. They require you to give them your va.gov login. And yeah, they're using to see what's going on with the claim. But the real reason they want it, they could see your bank account information. And it says in the contract that they're going to take money out of your bank account if you get money from the VA. They're just going to take it right out, not call you, not ask you, not say, hey, we think we're owed this money. No, they're just going to fricking take it. Do you think a credited attorney is going to just take your money out of your bank account, even if he's owed it? No, absolutely not. That attorney would lose their license with whatever bar association they're with. It says if you don't pay, they're going to refer the case to an attorney to take you to litigation. Not only that, they're going to refer the case to the district attorney for criminal charges. Can you guys believe this shit? They're helping veterans? This is such bullshit. You guys, come on, man. This is crazy. Oh, and don't bother canceling. You cancel $5,000 fee. $5,000 if you decide that you don't want to use these guys anymore. Do you think as a accredited VA attorney that if you fire me that I could go ahead and charge you $5,000? No, absolutely not. It's freaking crazy. In this particular contract, they're charging 50% of the back pay, which some of these contracts I've seen have up to 9 times the back pay. 50% is huge. That's not what a VA accredited agent or attorney cannot charge you that much. The top of the mark is a third. And if you don't win, you don't get paid. These guys are charging you an arm and a leg for something you could probably have done, get a better job done by an attorney and pay them less. I mean, this shit just makes me sick. You guys want to continue using VA Claims Insider and some of these other unaccredited agents, be my guest, but I think you're getting a raw deal. You could get much better service, higher quality representation, and pay less from an experienced VA accredited attorney or agent. All right, so let's say you've already signed one of these contracts. Is there anything you could do? Well, I can't guarantee that they're not going to come after you. I can't guarantee they're not going to ask the district attorney to press criminal charges against you. I mean, if that happens, you're going to have to defend yourself no matter how wrong they are. I mean, that's just the unfortunate state of the American legal system. Some things I would do, and again, this is at your own risk. I would stop communicating with them. I would change your bank account with the VA. I would set up two-factor authentication with va.gov. I would withdraw any claims they filed on my behalf, and I would report them to the VA. Those are some steps you could take. Now, if they go ahead and sue you because you broke the contract, get an attorney. I mean, I think you would have a valid defense, but unfortunately, you would still need to defend yourself. So the best option is don't get involved with these guys in the first place. I mean, this is crazy. Guys, once again, if you really feel you need representation in your VA case, use somebody accredited. As explained in other videos, if this is your first time applying, use a VSO. If it's a simple case, use a VSO. If it's a little more complicated, you've been denied, or there's a legal issue, use an experienced VA accredited attorney like myself or a VA accredited agent. So while the contract I'm talking about is not involving VA Claims Insider, it's a different company. I'm not going to reveal the name. I do have an update about VA Claims Insider. The Attorney General of the state of Texas is suing them for false, misleading, and deceptive acts, notably not really informing the veterans that they're going to pay a contingency fee for their services. There's a private lawsuit now against VA Claims Insider as well outside of Georgia, where they're being accused of charging when they're not accredited. And as I explained in another video, that you must be an accredited attorney or agent in order to charge a fee. That lawsuit also alleges that they are charging well in advance of what is legal for accredited attorneys and agents to charge. As I've mentioned many times, I know some of these companies charge, 50% or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times the amount of back pay. Well, if you're an accredited attorney or agent, those fees are capped, and you could charge up to a third legally. So 50%, 7, 8, 9 times the amount is just outrageous. So I don't know what's going to happen with these lawsuits against them. I hope it shuts these companies down. I really do. I know some of you guys are like, I got help from them, but you could have got a lot better help and paid a lot less. That does it, guys. Short video. I got a holiday I got to prepare for. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I'll see you in the new year. We got some new things planned, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. As always, you have the power to change your VA case. Take care, everyone.